Hi everyone, welcome to Automate Dream Job. So we are seeing like whatever the syllabus as an Automate Dream Job we are covering up. So let's see like whatever the rest assured API or the Postman or whatever it may be about the API, whatever the things we will be covering in this course objective. Let us see. So I warmly welcome to the API world. In this, we will see like what is an API and how does that usually API works. So the guys who have taken from us the manual plus automation training, we usually cover about this introduction to the API world of all these six topics under that course. If the guys is only enrolling for the API automation, we will be started covering from this. And what are the importance of an API? And what are the APIs and what are the web services? Because we do have some micro services and all. So those instances and all we will be discussing and how we are doing the API introduction to the testing and understanding that the API and what is the REST assured API, what is the SOAP UI and those instances and all we will do that. And importance of the API terminologies. So I'll say like API types and what are the status code or response code we will be having. Like you people know like 1xs, 2xs, 3xs, 4xs, 5xs, and those instances and all I will detailedly explain about what are the response codes are available because a lot of the response code during the interview preparation itself, you guys should know like 404 where we are using and 401 where we are using and what is the 501, what is the 202. So those everything should be included in this API course. And we will be having like date, put, post, delete, and patch, and all those things. The request headers, authorization token, and authentication token. Everything we will be covering under this API terminology. And then, like we will be using the REST assured API testing using the Postman. So, what is the advantage if you are going with the manual testing of the API? Because usually we will use the Postman or Swagger. So, we will tell you like what could be the important things we will do that. And then like the manual testing, how we are using the REST assured API using a Postman, and how to download and how you have to do this and the hand workbook with the Postman and those instances and all we will detailedly explain you about the navigation of the Postman and how you have to trigger a new request and what are the request parameters. It's nothing but guys like how the authentication token and authorization token will be introduced. And then we will go going like the important thing like of the advanced postman, whatever the environment variables are using. Even we do have the collections in the postman and what are the minor collection, how the assertions will work and the cookies and workflows. Those things and all will be covered under the postman. So your postman will automatically redirecting as manual as well as for an automation. Now rest assured API automation. So how you will be automating the API testing, how you are initiating your payload, how that it will going to be work, and how you are hitting the request and how the getting the response. What is the environment you're using? How you are going to integrate with the Eclipse or the IntelliJ, and what is the in the form.xml? What are the dependencies you have to add? So those things and all we will be covering under the REST assured API automation. And then we go apart from that we will be giving you the detailed explanation of the test engine framework, because the reason the API we will be doing as a backend of the things, that is only for the rest assured. But while for the test engine framework, you guys are know we can do with the Selenium, Java, Ruby, C Sharp, Python, whatever it may be. You guys should know like the detailed of the UI automation, that also we will be helping out, like difference between the test engine, JUnit, how do you configure, and what are the annotation, data provider, what are the listeners, how do you do the parallel serial execution, and those things. So, and then finally, you will be going with the case studies and the real-time projects, whatever you do have, we will connect on it. So, please, if you want to enroll for an API automation course, and please mail us, guys are know like automation at word at your hands at the rate of gmail.com. If anything you want to add in the syllabus or if you want to modify or override, it's completely depends on the guys. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.